Welcome to Health and Beauty. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 10 simple self-care routines that you can incorporate into your daily life to boost your mental health. These routines are quick and easy to do and can make a big difference in how you feel. So, let's get started. The first routine is to start your day by drinking a glass of water. It helps to hydrate your body and gets your digestive system moving, which can improve your mood and energy levels. Second is practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Write them down or say them out loud. This helps to shift your focus to the positive things in your life and can boost your mood. Third is get outside. Take a walk or spend some time outside each day. Fresh air and sunlight can help to boost your mood and energy levels. Fourth is take breaks. Take short breaks throughout the day to stretch, move your body, or do something you enjoy. This can help to reduce stress and improve productivity. Fifth is unplug. Set aside time each day to unplug from technology. Put your phone away, turn off the TV, and just be present in the moment. This can help to reduce stress and improve your mental clarity. Sixth is practice deep breathing. Take a few deep breaths each day to help calm your mind and reduce stress. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 4. Seventh is prioritize sleep. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Set a consistent bedtime and wake up time, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you unwind. Eighth is practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. This can include meditation, yoga, or simply being present in the moment and focusing on your senses. Ninth is connect with others. Take time to connect with loved ones each day. Whether it's a phone call, text message, or spending time together in person, social connections are important for our mental health. 10th is treat yourself. Finally, don't forget to treat yourself. Whether it's indulging in your favorite food or activity, taking time for yourself is an important part of self-care. So there you have it, 10 simple self-care routines to boost your mental health. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other self-care routines that you love, be sure to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.